What's up, everyone? We're on day 2 here at the Journeywoman Lodge. Renamed it. Hope you don't mind. The gang, we're just talking about organisms, trees. So beautiful up here.
And it's very specific.
All right, Aga, what's the update?
I can't breathe. I cannot talk.
This is the clutch.
Ask Marie.
Yesterday we were here and Aga's heart was coming out of her chest.
It's better. It's getting better.
What's up, perps? Cheesing with our Sammies.
Jeez.
Hey everybody, we're at the top and we are just getting a little excited because we kind of want to ski this pitch that's over here. But before we do that, we built this giant pit, actually 2 pits, and we're checking out the word. What's the word? Propagating?
Propagation.
Propagation. We're checking to see what happens if the line. We found a couple of different layers in the snowpack here at the Callahan Valley.
But they are not propagating.
They're not propagating, so we're feeling very confident that we're going to be able to ski down to the lodge right now. And it's starting to like get viz, which is awesome. So, let you know in a few. I'm filming you.
Oh, no.
Say something to the camera.
Hello, everyone. Like and subscribe Greta's GoPro channel.
Yes! Leave a comment.
Leave a comment, yeah. Okay, I need to
Dude, this is like 20 seconds.
Oh no, I went past my 10, eh?
Yeah.
I'm a slow-mo. And my paws are really cold now.
Dropping in 5, 4, 3, 2.
It's moving. Sign up for the new ride. You're there in the spotlight. It's moving again. Way to the sky. To the sky. To the sky.
With a hand.
Oh, update at the Journeywoman Lodge is Saturday.
the world, come to Journeyman. This is the best place in the world.
Journeywomen, I mean men, Lord.
This is the best place in the world. Come to Journeywoman out here in Callahan Valley. You won't regret it. Actually, it's called Journeyman, but we changed it to Journeywoman. So come on up. No?
No.
Just smile. It's such a beautiful sight right now. If we're not getting this, we're not getting anything.
I'm not. I would bring my camera out, but.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, Greta Ski, GoPro Hot Moms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Mwah.